me now, right? Put that right next to your lips. Okay, now say something. Okay, ignition is on. Clear. That's good. Go Rich. Okay, I'm turning on my headset a little better. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and turn this radio on. Turn this knob that way. Go clicks. Do the same for this knob. Okay. And then push this on button and hold it for a minute. Okay. Okay, let go. Okay, now
Feet on the pedals?
put your heels on the floor, feet on the pedals. Okay. This doesn't do anything on the ground. Right.
Wind 150 at 11. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 25, 2.9er. Altimeter 3005. Let's runway 16 right approach to the east. Landing party runway 16. Let's runway 16 right fast out of service. Use caution taxiing aircraft for steel plates on Bravo 2. Advisors contact information. Golf.
Right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Van Nuys ground, 882 Fox, northwest corner with information Golf, taxi to takeoff.
Air 1 Bravo Papa, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, 16 right, 641 Bravo Papa.
Grumman 82 Fox, Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, 16 right, 882 Fox. That'd be 29.
444, confirm it was 8 is golf you have, sir?
That's affirmative, we have golf.
Thank you.
That's a treat. You don't get to see planes like that very often. That's a total warbird. Classic. I can't imagine there's there's probably about 5 of those that fly in the world.
Really?
Yeah, there can't be too many.
The beauty.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go around kind of where those planes are. We'll do a quick stop to do a run-up.
Approach at 444, once you pass taxiway Delta, contact tower 119.3.
Okay, we'll call once we get past call. Okay, 444.
This is a primary trainer, World War II primary trainer as well. Army Air Corps. Well, that'd be 29. That is impressive.
Big plane too.
Oh yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a quick engine run up. Okay. So the way we're going to do that, put the engine up to 1800 RPM. I'm checking the magnetos. So, okay.
What are magnetos?
Magnetos in aircraft engines, they're different than automotive engines. If you lose the electrical system in an automotive engine, you're stuck. And an airplane, you can lose the electrical system and the engine will keep running because of the magneto. Okay. Just a different ignition system.
So we definitely need the magneto.
Okay, I'm going to go to ground control. Tower, we were on ground.
Cherokee 9174 Charlie Van Nuys. Correction, Cherokee 9174 Whiskey Van Nuys Tower, just stand by.
For Whiskey, standing by.
And then I started Grumman 882 Fox is 16 right, ready to go for left cross on departure.
Super Fortress, 29er Bravo traffic, heading to your right, half mile, low level helicopter eastbound, altitude indicates 1,300.
Super Fortress is what happened.
Sorry.
Super Fortress, 29er Bravo, roger.
And I 303 Echo Foxtrot is holding short of runway
316 right at Delta for left cross on departure Burbank.
Cherokee 303 Echo Foxtrot Van Nuys, Roger, hold short, running 16 right at Delta.
Hold short 16 right at Delta 3 Echo Fox.
And Van Nuys Tower 882 Fox is also holding short, 16 right for left cross on departure.
Cherokee 9174 Whiskey, Van Nuys Tower, cross running 16 right, hold short, running 16 left.
So 746 crossing 16 right, hold short 16 left.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot Van Nuys Tower, Roger, stand by your number 3 for departure.
882 Fox.
354 Sierra, visual 16 right, hello.
354 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower,
Been a crowded day.
continue inbound.
Continue 354 Sierra. I see that. Everybody's up.
Cherokee 74 Whiskey, verify, hold short, running 16 left.
Cherokee 74 Whiskey, hold short 16 left.
Cherokee 74 Whiskey, thank you. Contact tower now, 120.2.
74 Whiskey, contact tower 120.
What is the name of this airport?
641 Bravo Papa.
Van Nuys.
Van Nuys Tower, running 16 right. Clear for takeoff over the flood basin, right crossing departure approved.
Those.
1 Bravo, pop rolling.
We should have.
Tower, any update for 21705?
He was here
Airport
first.
21705, we're calling now.
Thank you. That's a nice tower, Cherokee 413 Alpha, 14 miles to the west, inbound to Lenswood Golf.
Cherokee 413 enter Alpha Van Nuys Tower. Roger, make center right base running 16 right.
16 right, 413 Alpha, thank you.
Cessna 21705, expect to go in about 5 minutes.
Set up by Roger.
304 15 enter Bravo, exchange approved, good day.
Bye.
Have a good day. You want to hand us on to somebody?
Super 4 15 enter Bravo, if you want to talk to SoCal, contact them on 134.2, have a good day.
34-2, stay in the bed.
Gorman 882 Foxtrot, verify you said you did want a right crossing departure?
Left cross on departure for 882 Fox, please.
Flex jet 444.
Flex jet 444, Van Nuys Tower, Roger, stand by, expect to go inside your window. Gorman 882 Foxtrot, stand by, expect to go after the landing layer.
882 Fox.
Running 16 right, clear to land traffic on the left base by the parallel to Cherokee, wind 16010.
See that guy coming?
What's the gas land looking for the Cherokee 354 Sierra?
And I saw something subject off Alpha is 11 to the north-northwest or west-northwest. Good to come to the pass, we've got call.
Trinity 705 Alpha Van Nuys Tower, enter right base running
Let us go after him.
0253.
Oh, okay. It's coming real slow.
Yeah, well, it's deceiving. He looks like he's a jet.
Right.
So he's probably
Cherokee
not.
413 enter
Not that
Alpha,
slow.
squawk 0254.
0254 from 413 Alpha.
That's a jet. I would imagine he's approaching at about 100 miles an hour. Wow. Something like that. Citation, I think. Cessna citation.
So you fly a lot? How many hours?
Lately I've been flying a lot. This was my 6th flight today.
Oh, wow.
Cherokee 303 Echo Foxtrot, cross running 16 right at Delta, hold short running 16 left at Delta.
Cross 16 right at Delta, hold short 16 left at Delta. 305.
Said we'd go after that.
Sierra, contact ground point 71 exiting.
Ground point 71,
That's a Cherokee.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot. Grumman 882 Foxtrot, 16 right, clear for takeoff. Fly straight out, no turns to the 101.
882 Fox, clear to go. 16 right, no turns to the 101. Okay, put your right hand on the yoke. This right hand there.
Okay, my bad.
Let go with that.
3 Echo Foxtrot, contact tower 120.2.
1202, 303 Echo Fox.
Okay, when I get this lined up, I'm going to have you push the throttle all the way in.
Flex jet
And we're going to keep it going straight down the runway feet, and then when we get 60, we'll pull it up. So go ahead and push that in slowly but steadily. Push it in a little faster. Okay, all the way. All the way till you can't go anymore. Okay. Now we're using our feet. You can let go of that. You can let go of this. Okay. Okay. And now we're using our feet to go straight. And when it gets to about 60, which is now, slowly pull back with one hand.
Hello, Van Nuys. Mustang 514 Delta Kilo at 3,200.
Flight 444 Van Nuys, tower cross running 16
Okay, we're going to keep the nose
clear for takeoff. Wind 130
about the elevation of the mountains there. Okay. So, and that's about 500 feet, 600 feet a minute. Pretty good.
You said cross 16 right as well? I thought what you were talking about,
the
plane swerving left and right.
That's controlled with your feet.
16 right, 16 right. Clear for takeoff.
So right now we're just kind of, we want to go straight.
514 Delta Kilo.
We want to maintain the climb.
Roman 82 Foxtrot, turn left, side door exit the interchange, contact Burbank Tower 118.7, traffic departing will be southwest down a Learjet.
82 Fox, roger that, going to contact Burbank and going to the interchange. Okay. See the interchange up there? Yes, sir. Okay. Perfect.
Van Nuys Tower, Mustang 514
We're going to go up to about 2,000 feet, which means this is going to be up there.
Delta Kilo Van Nuys Tower, Roger, enter left base running 16 right, gear number 2, following a Twin Beach on a 2.5 mile right base.
I'm changing the frequency to Burbank now, and we'll talk to them. Good afternoon, Burbank Tower. Grumman 882 Fox is approaching the 405-101 for an east 101 transition and a right turn around Mount Lee.
Grumman 882 Fox, Burbank Tower, they got 3006, transition approved, squawk 0261.
0261, 882 Fox. Okay, so see what that did? Yes, sir. Now, they, on their radar screens, they actually see 0261 as a little blip moving around the screen. Okay, so they've identified who we are. Okay, now we're going to try to level out and stay at about 2,000 feet. Okay. So you can bring this back a little bit. Just a little, okay. A little bit more.
Grumman 82 Fox, radar contact, half mile north of 451 interchange, say altitude.
82 Fox is at 2,000. Okay, so now you're going to follow the freeway, okay? So do a coordinated turn, little left rudder, little left aileron, and, well, we're still going up, so you really don't have to do, unless you're doing the back pressure. But we want to stay somewhere around here. Okay, I'm going to bring this to about there. I'm going to turn off the fuel pump, okay, because we use the fuel pump for takeoff and landing as just a backup, extra measure of safety. And I'm going to lean out the engine just a little bit, just so it runs a little more efficiently. Okay, perfect. Just keep the turn going.
Juliet, radar contact lost.
Just below the Hollywood sign, I should be up in a minute.
And we're going to follow the 101 freeway, which turns into the 134 at the interchange up there. And we're going to go around Mount Lee, which is that mountain over there. Okay. And we'll go over Griffith Park, and we'll fly by the observatory and the Hollywood sign. And, well, you said you're from this area, so, okay, so you know.
Burbank Tower, Cessna 63 Lima Juliet, 1,500 at the Hollywood sign.
Cessna 33 Juliet, roger, continue and expect right base for runway 8.
Smooth. Yeah, well,
Right base, middle for runway 8.
you might get some bumps up there.
Okay. So, when I feel the nose coming down a little bit, what do? You pull this back?
Yeah, I mean, you basically, you know, if this makes it go up, this makes it go down.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Oh, that was fun. I liked it.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Woo!
Okay. Oh, balloon.
So what happens if you overdo that, or if you do it too quickly?
It's hard to do it too quickly. I mean, if you keep going around,
Eventually we'll burn it out.
No, I mean, if you did that and held it, it would go all the way around. And then unless you're an aerobatic pilot, you'd probably die because then you'd be upside down. These planes are not meant to do aerobatic maneuvers. And I'm not an aerobatic pilot. In theory, if you were upside down, to go up, you would have to push down. You know, so it'd be very dangerous. is not considered excessive.
It's not critical. Okay.
But you don't. But the normal maneuvering, 30 degrees, 15 degrees, you can see that. You don't want to go over there. But you can get a feel for it. So we're going to keep going that way.
Request eastbound transition Hollywood.
Turkey 303 Echo Foxtrot, Brooklyn Tower, Brooklyn Altimeter 300.
Okay, so, but like I said, so now you're going down a little bit, so a little back pressure.
Transition approved. 303 Echo Foxtrot.
And if you feel like
we want to maintain
2 miles, Cessna northbound 1,100.
2,100, 2,200.
Cessna 3 Lima Juliet, radar contact 4 miles south of Brooklyn Airport. Traffic heading to your left, 11 o'clock in a mile. 2,100 eastbound of Grumman.
Negative traffic, we'll keep an eye on Lima Juliet.
3 Lima Juliet, maintain VFR at or below your current altitude.
At or below 1,800. Beautiful from up here, Lima Juliet.
Yeah.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, traffic heading to your right, less than a mile, 1 o'clock. Cessna 1,800 restricted below you.
82 Fox, got that traffic, will maintain visual.
I see him.
Yep. Traffic above me. Not effective.
Cessna 3 Lima Juliet, Roger.
Yeah, he was just telling us about
altitude restriction.
Hollywood Reservoir.
This information November, correct?
Roger, with date of information November.
And this is Warner Brothers and Burbank Studios, things like that.
Cessna 3 Lima Juliet, thank you. Wind 16010.
This is called Mount Lee.
To land.
Clear to land, runway 8, Lima Juliet.
So we're going to kind of aim for that tan building over there. We'll go right over the Griffith Park Golf Course. And then when we get over the golf course, we'll start a right 180 going around the end of the mountain.
The tan building with the burgundy on it?
Yeah, okay. I mean, more or less, that's general where we're going to go. Okay, so you got any questions? Feel good?
It feels good.
Excellent.
I was a little bit concerned about how sensitive it is when you turn right and left, but it kind of glides with you.
Yeah, it's something you get used to very, very quickly. Boy, the traffic has been creeping all day on the 5 here. Really been bad. But that's kind of a nice feeling to be flying above traffic.
It is.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, traffic 11 o'clock in 2 miles, orbiting altitude indicates 1,900.
82 Fox, so looking for that traffic, no joy.
11 o'clock. Oh, he's over there, so we're going to go over there. So you might as well start the turn.
Okay. I don't see him, though.
I don't see him either.
Do you have a visual?
I do not. All right, you're doing great. Really, really well.
Thank you. Learn from the best.
Okay, so downtown LA, Silver Lake.
82 Foxtrot, continuing southbound 5.
Negative, I'd like to just do orbit or continue the turn around Mount Lee back through the Cahuenga Pass and then back to Van Nuys.
82 Foxtrot, transition approved as requested. Traffic is now at your approximately 9 o'clock in 1 mile. Parallel to your course, 1,800 indicated should be no factor.
Okay, thanks. 82 Fox.
Okay, keep it coming around. Okay.
And Burbank, this one,
A little steeper turn if you want. Get a feel for a steeper turn.
Is that what you got?
Number 3 Echo Foxtrot, negative. That traffic is over Glendale.
Keep it going.
All right, just a second. Thank you.
Keep going. Keep it going around. Okay.
Wind 160 at 10.
We're circling back now?
I'm sorry?
Are we circling back?
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to go through back to the Cahuenga Pass.
Okay.
You did, yours was a half-hour discovery flight, right? Right?
It said 1 hour, so I'm not sure.
It's an hour of instruction, and the whole experience is supposed to be about an hour.
Okay. Makes sense.
Okay, so Griffith Park Observatory. And then keep going, well, obviously the Hollywood sign, so keep it going around.
Where's the sign?
Right there.
Oh, there it is.
And that's the Hollywood Reservoir ahead of us. All right, you're doing perfect in the turn.
3 Lima Juliet for parking.
All right, so aim for that building that's Universal Plaza.
Right. Straight out departure. 12 o'clock.
You said you live in Hollywood, so that's right down there.
Runway 8, taxi via Delta.
Turning left at Bravo and taxi via Delta for runway 8.
I'm putting it back to the Van Nuys frequency.
Okay.
Each radio has a communication and a navigation side. That's what this is for. This will allow you to home in on a beacon for navigation purposes.
And it will kind of guide you to?
Technically, yeah.
Cherokee 3 Echo Foxtrot, traffic directly over the Hollywood Reservoir.
Hollywood Bowl is over there.
200 opposite direction.
We're going down to 1,800.
Burbank Airport. Foxtrot, traffic 12 o'clock in a mile, opposite direction, Cherokee 1,800 descending.
82 Fox, looking for that traffic.
82 Foxtrot, maintain VFR at or above your current altitude.
Yes, sir, at or above our current altitude for 882 Fox.
Okay, somebody's coming this way down below us.
Okay. At Burbank, traffic just passed over 3 o'clock.
Okay. Cherokee 3 the Foxtrot, the traffic is 2,300 directly overhead. You said you had them in sight?
Yeah, we saw them pass overhead.
Sam, you have a visual?
No, I think you went right up our
Cancel altitude restriction, thank you.
882 Fox, thank you. Burbank Tower.
He must have been down low, a helicopter maybe.
5 Delta, just coming out of Van Nuys, 1,300. Request transition southeast to record your pass.
Helicopter 615 Delta, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3006. Ident, southeast transition approved.
Back 615 Delta, and they had the throttle 276 if you understand that.
Yeah, because I wanted
615 Delta, I see that. Radar contact
I want to start descending.
north of Van Nuys City Hall.
Pattern altitude.
And one other thing, we will be returning back. We'll probably be on the other side of the hill for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then going back through airspace to Bakersfield, climbing to 6,500.
Pattern altitude.
We'll have you code for you on the way back.
Sorry, back one, 5 Delta.
Pattern altitude on this side is 1,800, so if we end up on the east side of Van Nuys Airport, we need to be down with
I think the destination Oscar is now current, but altimeter 3006.
That's right, Massey's out of service. Austin steel plates on Bravo 2 of Astronauts Contact, giving us information hotel.
hotel.
Steady descending?
I just checked on the ATIS Hill Hotel at Van Nuys. Because when you call them back, you have to tell them who you are, where you are, what you want, and what information you have. This is Macy's over here. This is one of the typical reporting points coming from this direction back to Van Nuys. Okay. Perfect. This is a good speed. We're going down at about 400 feet a minute. We'll continue on to 1,800 and then level out.
I have a question. I'll probably ask you when we land, but what's the likelihood?
Present code, contact Van Nuys Tower 120.2. Good day.
82 Fox, thanks for your help. Take care.
Okay, hold on.
Yes, sir.
Roger, we'll maintain 1,800 for Burbank 215 Echo Foxtrot.
November 5 Echo Foxtrot, runway 16 left. Cleared for the option.
16 left, clear for the option, 315 Echo Foxtrot.
November 82 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower.
Van Nuys Tower, room 82 Foxtrot, Macy's with hotel inbound for landing.
2 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, make left traffic, runway 16 left.
Left traffic, 16 left. Okay, so what that means is there's 2 runways there. One is on this heading, right and left, or right and left. So he's saying left traffic, so what that means is we're going to enter the downwind for the east runway. The way we're going to do that is...
November 82 Foxtrot, following traffic just north of the brewery, Cessna number 2, runway 16 left, cleared to land.
Number 2, 16 left, clear land, 82 Fox.
Foxtrot, traffic a mile west of Van Nuys, descending on the Burbank localizer out of 3,900 at Skyhawk, and additional traffic at Gulfstream, 6 mile final for Van Nuys.
82 Fox, roger that. So we're entering the downwind leg.
51 Lima Lima.
Remember that question you were going to ask.
07, over the 405 freeway.
There's a lot going on.
0207 for
So now we're entering the downwind, so when we get in line with the freeway, we're going to head northbound.
Okay.
And basically following the 405 here. Okay, he said somebody is on...
I see him over there.
No, that's not the... he said final for Burbank, which is over there.
Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 2092 Lima, hold
I don't see that guy. Our traffic should have been turning base by now.
2092 Lima, Van Nuys Tower.
And then he said 6 mile final for somebody else.
Stand by 92 Lima.
Okay, so...
Did they indicate indicate what altitude they're flying at?
November 1, Lima, Lima.
Well, this guy was in the pattern, so he should be at the same altitude we are.
Out of 2,000.
In preparation for landing, I'm going to turn on the fuel pump again.
Okay.
And I'm going to put in the mixture.
So what does that do?
This is just a backup, okay, because we don't want our engine sputtering when we're close to the ground.
Okay.
And this just gives more fuel into the engine, so it
Lima, we still with you?
November 4.
runs cooler.
4 Lima, Lima.
Right.
Remain with me for now, sir.
4 Lima, Lima.
I don't have that.
I don't have a visual either.
Oh, there he is. Alright, that looks like it's Piper, though.
Yeah, nice tower, 882 Fox. I'm not sure I'm looking at my traffic. Could you call my base?
So your traffic is approaching shore final. They're over the fence now.
882 Fox, thanks. So we're clear to land, 16 left.
Behind the Gulf Stream, 3 out, or make a short approach.
Short approach, 882 Fox.
Okay. Search turn now, following traffic over the numbers, runway 16 left, still clear to land.
882 Fox, clear to land, 16 left.
Rider 2 Lima, it'll be just another minute and a half here.
Okay, so this is one of those times where, like I said, you don't normally go down 500 feet a minute. You said short approach. So... put the flaps down. Okay. Oh, there's that Gulf Stream.
November 5 Echo Fox, on traffic turning to 1/2 mile final, exit at Gulf without delay or power up and go, please.
Taking off 215.
Told him to go around. Okay, flaps are full down.
November 4 Lima, Lima, contact Whiteman Tower 135.0. Good day.
4 Lima, Lima, going to 135.0.
Now at this point...
November 5 Echo Fox,
pull back.
help there, good work.
Yeah. Well, you just very light touch on the controls.
November 9 2 Lima will have you out just as soon as traffic departs, the correction lands.
Roger, 9 Lima, thanks.
Beautiful.
Okay, so now, okay, he's probably very anxious to get us off the runway because of that other plane.
Gotcha.
So go ahead.
November 2 Fox, alright, turn to Gulf cross runway 16 right, ground point 7 on the other side. Good day.
Good day, 882 Fox.
November 9
Go ahead and lift up the flap by taking that switch and pushing it up.
16 left, clear.
Let's push it up and
Push it up.
Flap should be coming up. You want to check?
They sure are.
Okay. I'm going to turn off the fuel pump, and I'm going to bring this out a little bit. And then if you would switch that to COM 2, that switches over to the ground control.
Okay.
Van Nuys ground, Women 882 Fox is off of 16 right at Gulf, taxi to northwest corner.
Women 882 Fox, Van Nuys ground, taxi northwest corner via Alpha.
Northwest corner via Alpha 882 Fox.
Okay, remember, that doesn't do anything on the ground. Okay, it's all on the feet. Okay, they gave us a squad.
Stream 468 Quebec here, cleared out.
I'm going to put this on VFR,
468 Quebec here, Van Nuys ground, taxi
which
northwest
if
via
you learn this stuff, you'll know what
Bravo,
it means.
thank you.
And I'm going to turn this off because we don't need it anymore.
Okay.
Go off. And then we're on COM 2, so I can turn COM 1 off.
COM 1 is pretty much, traffic control.
No, it's whatever frequency you put in the various radios. I typically use COM 2 for ground control and the ATIS, and then I use COM 1 for tower. You could do it the other way around. Strictly personal preference on how you want to kind of organize things. Okay, so that Gulf Stream is taken. Going up, that's a Malibu up there, which is a fancy Piper product.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
Oh yeah, very fast. Very expensive.
Imagine.
See the one with the V-tail over there, the white and brown one?
Yes, sir.
That is a V-tail Beechcraft Bonanza. I mean, the common aircraft manufacturers are Beechcraft, Cessna, Piper, Grumman not as much. Oh, I missed it again. Darn it! I'm hoping to see him land the B-29.
Right. He just took off, didn't he? What happened?
I want to. This time nothing happened. I want to watch him land. I'm going to go over here and shut this down and watch.
Let's do it.
Sorry.
No, I'm excited. I want to see it too.
Missed it the last time.